Let's make some hot and spicy stewed pork with butter bean. I start out by seasoning my pork, people, yes? Nice and good and wonderful. Go ahead and add on all your seasoning to your pork. You can use my seasoning or you can use any seasoning of your preference. Yes, people, add some Jersey seasoning. Yes, people, so we'll eat doing it nice and good and wonderful, people. Now add some Maggi seasoning, the liquid one, some browning, some diced up garlic, people. Yes, people, nice and good and wonderful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil to my pot, pour my pork in. If you want to see the full version to this video, go check out my YouTube channel. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. Then let it cook down. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my pepper, my red pepper and my yellow pepper and orange pepper. Now adding my butter bean. Yes, people, it's nice and wonderful butter bean. Now some ketchup. Oh my God, look at this, people. Until next time, like, comment, share, and most definitely people check a follow on this video to see more awesome videos like these, people. Look at this.